Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy coin in Binance. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. This involves creating an account with your email or phone number and then completing identity verification, also known as KYC. This crucial step ensures compliance and security. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection, making your account much safer from unauthorized access. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund your Binance wallet. You have several convenient options to deposit money. You can use traditional methods like a bank transfer or a credit or debit card. Another popular choice is peer-to-peer or P2P trading, which allows direct transactions with other users. Always ensure the currency you are depositing is supported on the platform to avoid any delays or issues. With funds in your wallet, you are now ready to purchase cryptocurrency. Head over to the Buy Crypto section on the Binance platform. Here, you can easily select the specific digital asset you wish to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and specify the exact amount you want to buy. After choosing your preferred payment method, simply confirm the transaction to complete your purchase. It's a straightforward process. After successfully buying your cryptocurrency, you can view your new assets in your spot wallet. For long-term security, many users consider transferring their digital assets to a cold storage wallet, which offers enhanced protection offline. Binance also provides various other features, such as staking, where you can earn rewards on your holdings, or different earning programs to grow your portfolio. Explore these options to maximize your crypto experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.